Hello students, welcome back to Maths online classes for KCET. In this session, we are going to learn some shortcut tricks and also previous year questions from 2014 to 2020, all continuity and differentiation questions. See, later you can observe from each year, nothing but from including 2014 to 2020, almost we are getting minimum 5 questions we are getting. Okay, minimum 5 questions you are getting. So you can understand, see, out of 60 questions, if you are getting continuously 5 questions from the chapter continuity and differentiability, you are getting continuously 5 questions every year. That means you can understand, out of 60 questions, if you are getting 5 questions, means almost 8.33% of the total KCET weightage is belongs to this continuity and differentiability part. So that's why out of all the videos what we have watched before for KCET maths, so this is going to be very important for you. Why? Because I am going to solve all the years of from 2014 to 20. You can identify by checking any question paper, previous year question paper, minimum 5 questions are there from this chapter. So what are the models are there? See, if you prepare these and if you prepare some models from NCERT textbook, see, once again I am telling, go for NCERT textbook, all miscellaneous examples and exercise and all exercise problems. With that you need to solve NCERT exemplar book also. Why? Because out of 5 questions, minimum 3 questions they are asking directly from either textbook, NCERT textbook, or from exemplar. Out of those 5 questions, they are asking minimum 3 questions from NCERT textbook or exemplar book, and remaining 2 questions also based on the concept what you learn. Okay, now see, it's going to be very easy for you. So look at those questions. So before that, just you see the shortcuts. We have some 4 shortcuts to find the answer very easily. First one is, whenever a question in the form of y equal to square root of f of x plus y, then directly we can write, if they ask dy by dx or y dash, means f dash of x by 2y minus 1. So this is the trick you are going to apply in this previous year questions also. Remember, y equal to square root of f of x plus y means then it will be y dash equal to f dash of x by 2y minus 1. You can write it somewhere. Next one, if y equal to f of x power f of x power f of x power so on up to infinity, then y dash is equal to, or nothing but dy by dx equal to y square by 1 minus y into log f of x into f dash of x by f of x. This is another important formula. Okay, by considering these all f of x is equal to y, then it will become y equal to f of x power y. For this shortcut is y dash is equal to y square by 1 minus y log f of x into f dash of x by f of x. Next, see, already these type of problems already we have solved, but these two we did not up to now. But as I am observed all the previous year question papers, so at least one problem is there based on these 2 formulas. So that's why I am remaining once again to remember these 2 formulas. That is, x power m into y power n is equal to x plus y whole to the power of m plus n. Then dy by dx is nothing but y by x. So very easy, and directly you can identify the answer from that is y by x. When it will be y by x means here power m, here power n. When it is in the form of x plus y whole to the power of sum of these 2, then it will become y by x. See, for this one example I will give, like for example x square and y cube is there. Then if it is equal to x plus y to the power of 5, then what is dy by dx? Then dy by dx is equal to y by x. That's simple thing you need to remember. But when it will be possible means when sum of these 2 powers will be equal to here, then only that derivative is y by x. Next thing, a power x plus a power y is equal to a power of x plus y. For this shortcut is minus e power y minus x. Okay, minus e power y minus x. Okay, this is also another thing. Okay, these 4 formula shortcuts you remember, so that you can solve minimum, you will get minimum 2 questions from these tricks. Okay, next, now we will go to Previous year questions starting from 2014. Okay, in this 2014 question paper, we have some, see, 5 questions are there. Okay, 5 questions from 2014. Let us see how it is easy or difficult. See, these type of problems already we have done. First of all, observe the graph. The function represented by the following graph. If you observe the graph, it is like modulus function. It is continuous. Okay, na? It is continuous. And I said where okay, it is continuous everywhere. But when it comes to differentiable, okay, when it comes to differentiability, where it is not differentiable means whenever we have sharp turns. Whenever we have sharp turns, at those cases, nothing, but at these points it is not differentiable. Now let us see that options. Differentiable but not continuous at x equal to 1. So it is not. Why? Because it is continuous everywhere. Next, neither continuous, not differentiable. No. Why? Because it is continuous. Next, these two options you see, continuous we have. See, continuous but not differentiable at x equal to 1. Right? Continuous only but not differentiable at x equal to 1. Why? Because it has taken the sharp turn. So this is correct. Check their fourth also. Continuous and differentiable at x equal to 1. So it is not differentiable, but again differentiable. So this is a wrong answer. So these type of questions you can attempt easily by understanding the concept. If the graph doesn't have any gaps, then it is continuous. Very simple. And wherever it have sharp turns, so there it will be discontinuous, not differentiable. Okay. For example, if the graph is like this again, then at this point again it is not differentiable. Okay, see how easy it is. Within seconds we can find the answer by understanding that concept. Next we'll go to second question. So this is also some basic concept only. Which one of the following is not correct for the features of exponential function given by f of x equal to b of x b power x, where b greater than 1? See, this is exponential function. So, but given in terms of b power x. See, general exponential function, that one we will consider as a power x. But instead of that a power x, they are given b power x. See, this is NCERT concept. Remember, this is NCERT textbook concept. In derivatives chapter, in differentiation chapter, this concept will be there. You can look at that. But how the graph of a power x will be there means, so the graph of a power x, see, this is minus infinity to infinity, this is okay. The graph of this a power x will be go like this. Okay, this point will be 0 comma 1. This point is 0 comma 1. Why? Because as it is a power x, if x equal to 0, enagutte a power 0 which is equal to 1. That means x comma y value is 0 comma 1. So a power x always passes through 0 comma 1 point. This you need to remember. At the left side it will be nearly almost to minus infinity. As x value is increasing, it will goes to that positive value, high value. Okay. So this is about the graph, exponential graph. So at the same time we need to remember logarithm graph. Okay. And again e power x graph. So that is also clearly given in NCERT textbook of the chapter differentiation. Once you need to go through this compulsorily. Next, when coming to this question, so remember this graph. So it will go like this. Now see that options. The domain of the function is R. Yes, the domain of the function is R, all real numbers. Okay, the set of all real numbers. Next, see, this is correct only. Why? Because domain of this function is real numbers only. But what they asked is, which is not correct, they are asking. Okay, first one is correct only, but we should not consider that answer. Next, the range of the function is the set of all positive real numbers. Range means what? We should go through y-axis. Domain means we need to search for x-axis. Range means y-axis. What they are saying, range of the function is set of all positive real numbers. Okay, this is almost minus infinity to only positive real numbers only we have y-axis values like this. So the second option is also correct. Next, for large negative values of x, the function is very close to 0. For large negative values of x, that means towards this minus infinity. For large negative values of x, the function is very close to 0. Okay, right? Okay, this will almost touches to this 0, right? Next, this is also correct. Now the final option, the point 1 comma 0, the point 1 comma 0 is always on the graph of the function. No, it is the point 0 comma 1 which is always on the graph of the function. So it is wrong. The point will be 0 comma 1 only. Okay, so we need to identify the wrong option in this. Okay, so these type of, see, observe in this 2014, this is also concept, direct concept based. This question you may not get in the textbook, but based on this concept you have so many number of questions on this. And again, this second type of question is also through concept based. Hope you understood. Next, we'll go through the third question. Y equal to 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x power 4. We need to find dy by dx at x equal to 1. So first we need to find dy by dx, guys. Okay na? So ee tara, whenever we have functions in multiplication, already you know what we need to do. We need to apply log on both sides. Log apply madre, it will be easy. Why? Because if we apply log on both sides to that, it will become log y. If we apply log to this, it will become log ABC form. Log ABC, you know, log a plus log b plus log c, right? So similarly, this one also I will write log 1 plus x plus log 1 plus x square plus log 1 plus x to the power of 4. Now we need to find the dy by dx, right? So we need to do differentiate with respect to x. So log y is 1 by y into dy by dx, which is equal to derivative of log 1 by 1 plus x. But for 1 plus x there will be no chain rule. Next, again for this is again 1 by 1 plus x square. For this 1 plus x square, chain rule is 2x. Okay, for x square 2x plus, for this is 1 by 1 plus x to the power of 4. For this 1 plus x power 4, chain rule is, which is 4x cube, right? Now after that, y also we need to send that side. The dy by dx is equal to, what is y? Y is nothing but the given question, right? So that is 1 plus x into 1 plus x square into 1 plus x to the power of 4 into, okay, this one. What is that? 1 by 1 plus x plus 2x by 1 plus x square plus 4x cube by 1 plus x to the power of 4. This is what dy by dx we got. See, in PU level up to this we will do. But now what they are asking is dy by dx at x equal to 1. Okay, dy by dx at x equal to 1. So you can simplify this by substituting x equal to 1 in the place of this x. So x 1 agidre 1 plus 1 2 agutte. Illi x 1 agidre 1 plus 1 2 agutte. Illi x 1 agidre 1 power 4 1 only. So it will be 2. Then it will be 1 by 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 into 1 andre 2 by 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 cube andre 1. So 1 into 4 4 by 1 plus 1 2. So iವಾಗ simplify ಮಾಡಿ. So 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8 into, this is see LCM is 2 only. Okay, LCM 2. 1 plus 2 plus 4, this is 7. 2 ones are 2 4s are 4 into 7, which is 28. So dy by dx at x equal to 1. So the value is 28. Hope you understood. Whenever we have function into function into function idre, we need to apply logarithm on both sides. Not only function, if we have root of this is a function, b function by c, in these type of cases also we will apply log on both sides only. And again, in which cases we will apply f of x power g of x. If it is like this also we will apply log on both sides. Okay, so this is third question in 2014 itself. Next, another question in 2014 only, that is if y is equal to tan inverse x whole square. If y is equal to tan inverse x whole square, then, so this is direct NCERT textbook, right? This is 5 marks question, right? Direct NCERT textbook. See, I think if you practice that PU level very well, right, you can write that answer, that is 2. But let us solve once again. So they given y equal to tan inverse x whole square. So first we will find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 2 tan inverse x into, tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. That you send this side, it will become 1 plus x square into y1, this is y1, which is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Again you differentiate, it will become uv rule. So 1 plus x square into derivative of y1 is y2 plus this is a y1 into derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x, which is equal to 2 into tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now this 1 plus x square you send that side, it will become 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus 2x into 1 plus x square into y1, which is equal to that remaining this 2, right? So if you, so that's why I am telling for this differentiation chapter, NCERT textbook must and should you need to prepare. After that NCERT exemplar also you need to prepare. After that some model questions you need to prepare based on the methods. Next, question number 5. See, this is the 5th question in 2014 itself. So the question is, if the function, see this is also NCERT book only, okay, observe, if the function f of x equal to x power 100 by 100 plus x power 99 by 99 plus x power 98 by 98 plus so on like this given, then we need to find f dash of 0. Before finding f dash of 0, first we will find f dash of x, okay na? F dash of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, see x power 100 andre as divided by 100, that is common, x power 100 and 100 x power 99, next 99 x power 98, this is by 99 plus similarly, and again iದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, this is 2x by 2 plus x derivative 1 plus 1 derivative 0. So ಈ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What we will get is x power 99 plus x power 98 plus so on plus x plus 1. ಇದೇನು f dash of x, ಇದು f dash of x. ಇವಾಗ f dash of 0 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 0, ಇದು 0, everything, these all everything will become 0, okay, 0 plus 1 which is equal to 1. See how easy all the questions from this continuity and differentiation. See in this 2014 5 questions. See how important the 5 questions. Why? Because in competitive like KCET, even 1 mark difference so varies in thousands of ranks, right? So that's why you should not neglect any single question in this. So that's why, see, you have so much of time, so that's why you need to practice more, okay. So these are the questions from 2014. Now we will solve questions from 2015. So this is in 2015. This is also similar type of question only, if you can observe. So I think you can tell that answer without solving. So let us take only 2 seconds. See, they are given the g of x, then they are asking g dash of x. Instead of x power 100 by 100, x power 99 by 99, here they have given x power 200 by 200, x power 199 by 199. So last ending will be x square by 2 plus x plus 5. So you can tell that answer. So I am telling the answer is 1. Why? Because similar to that question only. So this is also, so that's why solving previous year questions is very important. Why? Because in 2014 itself they have given the similar type of question. In next year 2015 they have given direct that type of question only, right? So that's why solving previous year questions is very important. But I am not telling that all questions you will get from previous year questions and NCERT, but maximum chances will be there. If they did not ask direct questions, they may ask those type of questions by changing the values, right? Now, so this is simplify. G dash of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 200 x power 199 by 200 plus 199 x power 198 by 199. So plus so on. This is a 2x by 2 plus 1 plus 0. Okay, 5 derivative 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದ್ರೆ 5 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಡ. Why? Because when we apply derivative, that constant will become 0. So this is g dash of x, that is x power 199 plus x power 198 plus so on plus 1 is there. So if we apply g dash of 0, this all will become 0, that is answer 1, okay. And sometimes, see, sometimes they will ask g dash of 1 also. For that g dash of 1, don't put that 1. Why? Because this is for only g dash of 0. If it is g dash of 1 means in the place of x what we need to substitute is 1. So these all will becomes 1. So then it will become 200. Why? Because 199s and again plus 1, it will become 200. So you need to observe the question very careful. Next, second question. If x equal to a, see this is also NCERT textbook question only. See, you have solved these type of questions very well. So this is parametric form we'll call. X equal to given, y equal to given, they are asking you to find 1 plus dy by dx whole square. First, to find dy by dx, we need to find dy by d theta, okay, and then divided by dx by d theta to get dy by dx, right? So what is dy by d theta? So a into sine cube differentiation eno 3 sine square theta, and sine theta differentiation is cos theta, right, divided by, so dx by d theta find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. dx by d theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ a into cos cube differentiation is 3 cos square theta into cos theta differentiation ಏನು minus sin theta, so minus sin theta. first is simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3a 3a ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sin theta square cos theta square ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, sin theta by cos theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus tan theta. So this is what dy by dx. So here what they ask is 1 plus dy by dx whole square. So by question also you need to observe carefully. This is not d square y by dx square, only dy by dx whole square. See, someone will do like dy by dx they have find it. Again they will do differentiation. You will get d square y by dx square. That you will substitute here. Okay. But what they ask is dy by dx whole square. So this is 1 plus what is dy by dx minus tan theta we got whole square. So it will be 1 plus tan square theta. We know that according to identities, we know secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. That means if you send that tan square theta to that, we will get 1 plus tan square theta. That is nothing but secant square theta. See how easy the questions of differentiation in KCET. Next, what you need to remember is the concept and the solving method. So this is also similar type of question. The parametric form given, we need to find dy by dx. Okay, first dy by dt. Okay, here parameter is t, so divided by dx by dt. So as c is constant here, why? Because parameter is t. So c into what is derivative of 1 by t? Nothing but d by dx of 1 by x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 1 by x square ತಾನೆ. Similarly derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. So this divided by dx by dt. See, no need to confuse here. So this is c by t is like 5 by t. Derivative of 5 by t and 5 into derivative of 1 by t is minus 1 by t square. Say ಅದೇ ತರ minus c by t square. Okay na. Next dx by dt. dx by dt ಅಂದ್ರೆ c constant, t derivative 1. So it is c. So c cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 1 by t square. ಇದೇನಿದು dy by dx. Now what they are asking, dy by dx at x at t equal to 2 guys. t 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ, minus 1 by 2 square which is equal to minus 1 by 4. So option C. The third question completed in 2015. Next, fourth question. If y is equal to f of x square plus 2 and f dash of 3 is equal to 5, then dy by dx is equal to at x equal to 1 is. See, the very easy question only, but all will focus on f dash of 3 equal to 5. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ f 3 substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ equal to 5 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ. So you will more focus on this one. So no need to focus on this one. Just you find f dash of x first. Nothing but dy by dx find out ಮಾಡಿ first. See, I am telling, for example, if y equal to f of x ಇದ್ರೆ what will be dy by dx? It will be f dash of x. Here why we won't write any chain rule means x derivative 1. So that's why f dash of 1 only. Otherwise, for example, if y is equal to f of 2x, see these type of problems you did not done in NCERT, so look at carefully. If y equal to f of 2x idre iದ್ರ derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ dy by dx is equal to, so this will be f dash of 2x. Why? Because this is a function derivative in f dash of. Now chain rule of 2x ಏನು into 2. Okay, this method you remember. So similarly what they given is y equal to f of x square plus 2. If you apply derivative to this, what we will get, dy by dx is equal to f derivative ಏನು f dash of x square plus 2. As it is you write. Now derivative of this is 2x. Okay, understood? Like this you need to write. Now what they are asking, this is dy by dx we got. Here also don't confuse about this, leave it like that. Dy by dx you got. Now they are asking at x equal to 1. So dy by dx at x equal to 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ f dash of 1 square 1 plus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 3 into 2 into 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2. So now you got f dash of 3. That value given is 5. That you substitute 5 into 2 which is equal to 10. So option D. See how easy the questions are. This is question number 4. Okay, in this 2015 you got 4 questions, and 5th question is also there, but that is based on Rolle's theorem and mean values theorem, but that is not there in your current in 2021 syllabus. Okay, that we will leave. Next 2016 paper. If y is equal to e power sine inverse into t square minus 1 and x equal to secant inverse 1 by t square minus 1. See, while discussing ITF, we have undergone through some properties. Those are like see, sine inverse x we can write as cosecant inverse of 1 by x, reciprocal. Same adhe tara secant inverse x we can write as cos inverse of 1 by x thane, right? Similarly, secant inverse of 1 by x we can write as cos inverse of x. Why we need to use this property means secant inverse of 1 by will convert into cos inverse of x. Andre imagine this is cos inverse of x andre cos inverse of t square minus 1. Illi cos inverse of t square minus 1 ide, illi sin inverse of t square minus 1 ide. Now we can find the dy by dx easily. So this is y equal to e power sin inverse of t square minus 1, x given x equal to e power. E property apply madidre it will be converted into e power cos inverse of t square minus 1. See, if you want to know these properties, please watch the ITF class. Okay, I will provide the link that also in the description. You can watch that to see all these properties. Next, so this is y and this is x. What they are asking is dy by dx. So actually we know this is like parametric form, y given separately, x given separately. We need to find dy by dt. Why? Because here parameter is t. This is dx, dy by dt. This is dx by dt. After that, dy by dt by dx by dt we need to find. But if you do this method, it will be so lengthy and you cannot find easily. So that's why you need to use the some basic formula, that is like you multiply these two. Y into x you multiply. If you multiply these LHS, automatically RHS also we need to multiply. That is e power sin inverse t square minus 1 into e power cos inverse t square minus 1. So then yx is equal to, as bases are equal, powers we need to add. That is sin inverse of t square minus 1 plus cos inverse of t square minus 1. So I am writing this as e power pi by 2. Why? Because again in ITF we have another property, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to what? Pi by 2. Here when we'll get pi by 2 means here x, here x, and that angle should be equal, that value should be equal. Here also t square minus 1, here also t square minus 1, so then it will become pi by 2. Now we apply derivative. Derivative apply madidre y into x derivative 1 plus x into y derivative dy by dx is equal to constant derivative 0. Then x dy by dx is equal to minus y, then dy by dx is equal to minus y by x, which is option B. So I hope you understood. See, whenever we have secant inverse and like that, you convert into these properties, though it will become reciprocals, then we can find easily. Next, second question. Tan inverse of x square plus y square equal to alpha, then find dy by dx. So these are very good questions actually. So here also we should not apply derivative directly. What we need to do, tan inverse is there, that I will send to right hand side, then it will become x square plus y square equal to tan alpha. Now I will apply differentiate with respect to x. X square differentiation 2x plus y square differentiation 2y into dy by dx, which is equal to 0. Sir, tan theta differentiation secant square theta, then why it is 0? Why? Because here alpha is a constant. Okay, that's why it is 0. Now 2y into dy by dx is equal to minus 2x. 2 cancel. Dy by dx is equal to minus x by y. Minus x by y. See, very good questions they asked in this year. Okay, go through this once again. Next, question number 3. X power m into y power. Yes, now we got the shortcut trick. X power m into y power m n is equal to x plus y whole to the power of m plus 1. Now guys, tell me the answer of this is y by x. Okay, when it will be equal means here m and n, if we add we should get this m plus n. So the answer is y by x. There is no alternative like that. Directly you go through this formula, the value is y by x. This is question number 3. So this is already discussed in the tricks. Okay, again this type of method also will get in further KCT year questions. Okay, next question number 4. X power y is equal to e power x minus y. Then find dy by dx and find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, x power y equal to e power x minus y. See, ಈ ತರ questions ಅಲ್ಲಿ what we need to do means we need to apply log on both sides, that you all know. If you apply log on both sides, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, y log x is equal to x minus y into log e. X minus y into log e. Why? Because powers will come here, right? Now this will be y log x is equal to x minus y, right? Now y term you bring here, it will become 1 plus y into log x is equal to x. Now I'll take y common, right? Okay, I'll take y common, it will become 1 plus log x is equal to x. It will become again y equal to x by 1 plus log x. This is what y. Okay, this is what y. Now we need to find dy by dx for this. So if you apply dy by dx to this, it will become u by v rule, right? U by v rule you need to remember, that is vu dash minus u dash by v square. So here v square andre 1 plus log x whole square. So if you observe the options, see directly you can pick, that is option C. Why? Because no option got 1 plus log x whole square. But we will try after solving this numerator whether this denominator will change or not, will be converted into like this or like this or like this. Let us check. Okay, so numerator is v into u dash. What is v? 1 plus log x into u dash. U dash and derivative of x 1 minus x into u andre x into v dash. Derivative of 1 plus log x ಏನು, 1 derivative 0, log x derivative 1 by x. x cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 plus log x minus 1 by 1 plus log x whole square. These two cancel, log x by 1 plus log x whole square. So that you can see that is option C. Okay, now ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, whenever we are solving, if we get any one of that options clearly, okay, you can directly go for that. Why? Because instead of solving more you won't get any marks. Why? Because this is not theory, so this is objective, right? So whenever you get like that options, so directly you can take and go for next questions. So this is question number 4. Next question number 5. So differential coefficient of log x to the base 10 with respect to log 10 to the base x. Okay, here differential coefficient andre enilla. For example, this you need to consider as u, this you need to consider as v. Here differential coefficient andre this du by dv we need to find, nothing but derivative only. Okay, no need to confuse, don't think that this is a new concept. Next, see, to solve these type of problems, minimum basics of that logarithms you should know. So those logarithm properties are like, see, log a to the base b we can write as log a by log b, right? Log a to the base b idre log a by log b barfi. At the same time, what is the base to these two is e. Okay, na base ಏನilla andre that meaning is e only. Okay, so if you know this property you can solve these also. Now what is u? What is u is log x to the base 10. So that I am writing as log x to the base 10. Okay, na similarly log 10 to the base x andre log 10 by log x I will write. Okay, now you find du by dx. Why? Because here parameter x, so du by dx find out ಮಾಡಿ. As log 10 constant ಅದು ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ 1 by log 10. Derivative of log x ಏನು 1 by x. That means du by dx ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 1 by x log 10. Okay, this is du by dx. See, similarly dv by dx find out ಮಾಡಿ. Here log 10 numerator ಅದು constant log 10 into log x derivative ಏನು. See, derivative of 1 by x ಏನು minus 1 by x square ತಾನೆ. Similarly derivative of 1 by log x is minus 1 by log x whole square. Okay, for log x square, so it will be minus log 10 by log x whole square. So this is dv by dx. Now what we need is differential coefficient of this with respect to x. That means du by dv by andre first I will write this 1 by x log 10 divided by minus log 10 by log x whole square. Okay, now this we need. Now I will reciprocal those. Okay, this is 1 by x log 10. Okay, 1 by x log 10 into, so I will reciprocal this, it will become minus log x whole square divided by, okay, log 10 whole square divided by log 10. But here you see ಇಲ್ಲಿ chain rule ಒಂದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ v is log 10 by log x ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ log 10 into 1 by log x ಫಾರ್ಮ್ minus 1 by log x whole square ಅಂದರೆ 1 by x ಇದು minus 1 by x square. ಬಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ chain rule of log x ಏನು 1 by x. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ chain rule 1 by x. So as it is here into 1 by x, so this will be x here. Okay, now if you simplify, x and x cancel. Okay, next minus of this is log x whole square divided by log 10 into log 10 is log 10 whole square. So this we can write log x by log 10 whole square. Now you see the options. No, so we need to still simplify, that is minus log x to the base 10 whole square. See, understood how to write log x by log 10 idre log x to the base 10 ತರ ಬರಬೇಕು. So now we see the options, minus log x to the base 10 whole square. So this is question number 5 from 2016. Okay, next we'll go through that now we'll go through next year. So see the question. So this is also NCERT miscellaneous exercise question only. Okay, see NCERT exercise question in differentiation. If y is equal to, they given f of x, g of x, h of x, l, m, n, a, b, c, then find dy by dx. See, ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಈ ಥರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾಗ ಅವರು dy by dx ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ವೆನ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ dy by dx, you need to apply derivatives to this. Remember, derivatives to this. So f dash of x, g dash of x, h dash of x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That you need to find in options. See, option A L ಇದೆ, C L ಇದೆ, this D L ಇದೆ, option B L ಇಲ್ಲ. So directly you can cancel this. Okay, next, and after that these should be in order, whether it may be in columns, okay, or in rows. Those should be in order. Like f of x ಇದ್ರೆ f dash of x L A. See, first option ನೋಡಿ, f dash of x L A, g dash of x M B, h dash of x N C. See, the correct option actually. But what they given in the 2017 is these are all correct only. So this is also correct, this is also correct. Why? Because see, if you turn like this first row into this first column, second row into second column, third row into third column, again these have an order. Okay, next, in D option also, see, if you rotate this, okay, f dash of x L A, g dash of x M B, h dash of x N C, in this order only. So for this question, at that year they given answer option A, C, D. These all three are correct only. Okay, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ dy by dx ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ derivative find out ಮಾಡಿ. After that it should be in order, whether it may be in this column wise or in row wise. Next question, f of x is equal to kx square 3 if x less than or equal to 2 and greater than 2. This is also direct NCERT question. See how important that NCERT is. See, they are asking continuous at x equal to 2. We know how to find this k values. We will find LHL, right? So what is LHL? Limit extends to 2 minus at 2 na 2 minus andre less than condition k x square. X place alli 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ k into 2 square andre this is 4k. Now what is RHL? RHL is limit extends to 2 plus greater than ಗೆ condition 3. ಇವಾಗ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So 4k is equal to 3, then k is equal to 3/4. See how simple the questions are, but you need to remember the concepts. That's it. Next, question number 3. If sin x is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square and tan y is equal to 2t by 1 minus t square, then dy by dx is equal to. These are another important questions. See, whenever they given in terms of like this, you need to consider t equal to tan theta. You consider, okay, t equal to tan theta. So here also, if you substitute that, what you will get? Sin x equal to 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Here also tan y is equal to 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. So then it will be converted into sin x equal to, see, formula for this is sin 2 theta. Okay, please revise trigonometric formulas also. So this will be tan y is equal to, so 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square is tan 2 theta formula. So sin cancel, x equal to 2 theta agutte. Here y equal to 2 theta agutte. Here theta means what is 2 into theta means tan inverse t. Okay, as you consider t equal to tan theta, theta equal to what? Tan inverse t agutte. Okay, now here also y equal to 2 into tan inverse t. Now they are asking to find dy by dx. Now they are asking to find dy by dx. So that is first you find dy by dt. Okay, dy by dt ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 into tan inverse tan 1 by 1 plus t square. dx by dt ಏನು? 2 into 1 by 1 plus t square. Now to find dy by dx, 2 by 1 plus t square divided by 2 by 1 plus t square. So which is equal to 1. Option C. Okay na, ಈ ತರ 2t by 1 plus t square ಇದ್ರೆ tan t substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2t by 1 plus t square ಇದ್ರೆ sin 2t. Remember, 2t by 1 minus t square ಇದ್ರೆ tan 2t. Otherwise, for example, if it is in the form of 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, then tan theta substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will become cos 2 theta. Okay na, remember, so cos 2t. Next question. Are you feeling easy for these problems? Okay. Next, if y is equal to log of log x, then d square y by dx square is equal to, they given log of log x, you need to find second order derivative. So first y dash ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Y dash is equal to log ಅಂದ್ರೆ first 1 by log x into log x derivative 1 by x. Okay, so which is 1 by x log x. This y dash. Now we need to find y double dash, nothing but d square y by dx square. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು x log x whole square, x log x whole square. So numerator x log x into derivative of 1 ಏನು 0 minus 1 into x log x derivative ಏನು x into log x 1 by x plus log x into x derivative 1. Okay, this is 0 and this is minus of 1 plus log x by x log x whole square. So it is option B. Okay, again, while you can observe the options here, directly starting you got x log x whole square. That means it may be option B or C, but here slight difference, plus or minus. So after solving, you can consider that it is option B. Next, question number 5. If y is equal to tan inverse of sin x plus cos x by cos x minus sin x. See, this is also a very familiar problem. For this type of problem also, if you divide with cos x, ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ವೆನ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಈ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬೋತ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೈನ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಹೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ 1 ಐ ಆಮ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 4. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 4 ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ divided by this I am writing as 1 minus tan x only I am writing as tan pi by 4 into tan x. Why? Because to convert into formula. So if you observe, this is converted into tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. The formula for that is tan of a plus b tane. Tan of a plus b formula tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So it will become pi by 4 plus x. So tan inverse tan cancel, pi by 4 plus x agutte eno y. Then dy by dx is very easy, pi by 4 constant 0, x derivative 1. So option D. Okay, next derivative of cos inverse of 2x square minus 1 with respect to cos inverse x. Okay, here also you need to do substitution. See, ನೀವು ITF ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ where we need to take substitutions you will understand. Not only in ITF, in differentiation also some third exercise, I think third or fourth exercise will be there based on ITFs. If you practice those, you can solve these type of problems very easily. Here x place alli you substitute some cos theta, some x equal to cos theta you take, then it will become cos inverse of, okay, this one cos inverse of 2 cos square theta minus 1. So cos inverse of 2 cos square theta minus 1 formula is cos 2 theta. Why? Because see, nodi cos 2 theta we have so many formulas like 2 cos square theta minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square theta, like that. So this will be converted into cos 2 theta. So cos inverse cos cancel 2 theta. 2 into theta andre enu 2 cos inverse x agutte. Adenu for example you consider as u, first function only. Next idu v, cos inverse x. Now what we need to find is derivative of this with respect to this. So first du by dx find out madi. 2 by 2 into minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Why? Because d by dx of cos inverse x eno minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. You need to remember all the formulas. So next dv by dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. Now ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ we need du by dv. du by dv andre this one by this one. So you can find here itself, this one cancel, minus minus cancel, the answer is 2. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, hope you understood this. So see, here you see 6 question in this year from continuity and differentiation. See how important the topic is. Next year, if f of x is equal to, see this is question from continuity. So observe this, f of x equal to this given, and they are given the conditions also. One is x is greater than or equal to minus 1 but less than 0, x greater than or equal to 0 but less than or equal to 1, is continuous at x equal to 0. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, as continuous at x equal to 0, then the value of k. Continuous ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, LHL equal to RHL. First we will find LHL. What is that? Limit extends to 0 minus. Why? Because at 0 na 0 minus. 0 minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ less than condition. Okay, this one you need to take. So ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು simplification ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So it will take some time to simplify. So these type of problems you need to do rationalize 1 plus kx plus square root of 1 plus kx divided by x. You may think that you can substitute 0. No. Here if in this problem if we substitute 0, it will become 0 by 0 form. So that's why, sorry, this is 1 plus kx plus square root of 1 plus kx. So ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು 0 ಮೈನಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು a ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ, a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ರೂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, minus b square means 1 minus kx divided by x into root 1 plus kx plus root 1 plus kx. So 1 and 1 cancel, kx plus kx, it will become limit x tends to 0 minus, see here, 2 kx by x into square root of 1 plus kx plus square root of 1 plus kx. If you observe, x and x cancel. After that 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ 2k by ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ square root of 1 plus square root of 1, 1 plus 1 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 cancel k. ಅಂದರೆ LHL we got k, but they are asking to find the value of k. So then we need to find RHL. What is RHL is limit extends to 0 plus. RHL ಅಂದರೆ 0 plus. For that 0 plus condition ಏನಿದೆ, 2x plus 1 by x minus 1 ಇದೆ. Now you substitute 0 here, 2 into 0 0 plus 1 1 divided by 0 minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So LHL equal to RHL equate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ k equal to minus 1. So option B. This is the first question in this year. Next, second question. So this problem we have done in that extra days class, that is based on continuity and differentiability. See, you can tell this answer directly, that is see, once we will solve. Okay, so they are asking dy by dx, but none of the option is in terms of x. So x eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x eliminate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ cos y by cos of a plus y should be equal to x. ಈ ತರ we need to convert and then apply derivative. So it will become cos square of a plus y. So this will be 1. So here u by v rule. So cos of a plus y into cos y derivative minus sin y minus cos y into derivative of cos of a plus y minus sin of a plus y into dy by dx, here also into dy by dx. So ಇವಾಗ dy by dx ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, it will be sin of a minus b. See, already yesterday we have solved this problem, so that's why I am doing fastly. So cos square of a plus y, which is equal to 1. So ಇವಾಗ a plus y minus y cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So dy by dx is equal to cos square of a plus y divided by sin a. Very familiar problem. Directly you can write that answer, cos square of a plus y by sin a. Next, question number 3. F of x is equal to modulus of cos x minus sin x, then f dash of pi by 6 is equal to. See, actually functions idre you know how to find the differentiation, but modulus function is there. See, you know that if it is modulus of x means how we will write that function, x when x is greater than or equal to 0 minus x when x is less than 0. Ee tara we will write. Again in this differentiation also, how we need to take whether x ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ minus x ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ, how we can identify means based on this. As they are asking f dash of pi by 6, pi by 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, greater than 0 ತಾನೆ. So we need to consider positive x. Okay na, ಆ ತರ we need to identify, simplify. So f dash of x is equal to, so cos x derivative ಏನು, minus sin x minus sin x derivative ಏನು, cos x. Okay, so this is what f dash of x. F dash of x ಏನಾಯ್ತು, minus of sin x plus cos x. Now what they asked is f dash of pi by 6. Pi by 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 30 degrees. So sin 30 1 by 2 plus cos 30 root 3 by 2. So it will be minus 1 plus root 3 by 2. So very easy answer, easy question, right? See, if you can see, all the questions in this continuity and differentiation in KCET are very easy until and unless if you focus on the questions what they are given and how to approach that. Okay, next question number 4. Okay, this is also very easy question. So this is regarding that shortcut trick. Why? Because y equal to square root of x plus square root of x plus so on is there. Instead of all that, as it is tends to infinity, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ one term ತೆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ, again that also will become y only. So this one I will write as square root of x plus y. So this one you can understand like y equal to square root of f of x plus y. Okay, this is in this trick. Then y dash you know f dash of x by 2y minus 1. See, this is in the trick, this you need to remember. Then what is f of x? X. So y dash is equal to derivative of x1 divided by 2y minus 1. Very easy question if you know that trick. Next, otherwise you can simplify like apply first you send the square root to this side, it will become, see, it will become y square equal to x plus y, y square minus y equal to x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2y into dy by dx minus dy by dx which is equal to 1. ಇವಾಗ dy by dx ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 by 2y minus 1. ಈ ತರ also we will get, but if you apply that trick directly you get that answer. Next, f of x equal to log x by x minus 1 when x is not equal to 1 and k at x equal to 1 is continuous at x equal, find the value of k. This is from continuity. Okay, now first at x we will check LHL. Limit x tends to 1 minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ not equal to 1. So log x by x minus 1. ಇವಾಗ 1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. log 1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0, 1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 minus 1 0 ಅಂದರೆ 0/0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. 0/0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಟು ಬೋತ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವೈಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್. log x derivative 1 by x divided by x derivative 1. Okay, so it will be limit x tends to 1 minus 1 by x. x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ LHL 1. Okay, ಇವಾಗ what is RHL? limit x tends to 1 plus ಏನು, okay, RHL also if you take we will get same only now. Why? Because for LHL and RHL we will get same condition. Here we will take f of one condition. Why? Because continuous andre one condition LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of the constant. Here the constant is 1. f of 1 ಏನಾಗಿದೆ k. If we equate these two, k equal to 1. Okay. So these are the 5 questions from this year. Next. So okay, this is 2019 question, 2019 year. So see the questions how it is. Yes, again this is the trick, but you need to identify that before solving. See, this one you can simplify dy by dx, but instead of that convert into that formula. This is y cube root of y means y power 1 by 3 into x power 1 by 2 is equal to x plus y whole to the power of 5 by 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, 5 by 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 6, 2 plus 3 5. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ 5 by 6. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ dy by dx is equal to y by x. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 3 times. ಸಿ ಹೌ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, if step x represents the greatest integer function, then find f of x, and f of x equal to x minus step x minus cos x, find f dash of pi by 2. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ f dash of x ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. f of x x minus step x minus cos x. f dash of x ಗೆ derivative of x ಏನು 1 minus derivative of step x ಏನು, derivative of step x is 0. Why? Because ಈ step x is a greatest integer function. ಅಂದರೆ that will give it's a number, it will give, right, integer it will give. So that means this is constant derivative 0 minus cos x derivative ಏನು minus sin x. So it will become 1 plus sin x. ಇದೇನು f dash of x. Now f dash of pi by 2 ಏನು 90. 1 plus sin 90. What is sin 90? After taking 90 it is 1. 1 plus 1 it is 2. Option C. Right? See, all the problems are very easy. Next. So this is also a miscellaneous example problem. Miscellaneous example problem from the NCERT textbook. Second year continuity and differentiation. So this is also a very familiar problem. See, f of x equal to sine inverse of, see, 2 power x plus 1 we can write as 2 into 2 power x divided by 1 plus 2 power x whole square. Understood? Now, so to convert into, so to simplify this, I will consider 2 power x equal to tan theta. Remember, 2 power x equal to tan theta. So then it will be converted into 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Now after converting into that, the formula is sine 2 theta. Remember this. Next, sine inverse sine cancel. This is 2 theta. What is 2 theta? 2 tan inverse of 2 power x. This is what? F of x only. This is what f of x. Why 2 tan inverse 2 power x means, as 2 power x equal to tan theta, theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 power x. Now we need to find f dash of x first. F dash of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 into tan inverse differentiation ಏನು అంటే tan inverse differentiation ಏನು 1 by 2 power x 1 by 1 plus x square ತಾನೆ 1 by 2 power x whole square into 2 power x derivative ಏನು 2 power x into log 2. It is like a power x. See, tan inverse to 1 by 1 plus x square, but x place all 2 power x ಇದೆ, so 2 power x whole square. Then 2 power x, a power x formula, a power x into log a, 2 power x into log 2. Then if you observe, this is 2 log 2 into 2 power x divided by 1 plus 2 power x. This is 4 power x. See, ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ 0, ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 log 2 into 2 power 0 ಏನು, ಓಕೆ, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಪವರ್ 0 ಈಸ್ 1 ಓನ್ಲಿ, divided by 1 plus 4 power 0 1, 1 plus 1 2. So 2 cancel, finally you will get log 2 is our answer. So option B. Okay. Next, question number 4 in 2019. X equal to a secant square theta, y equal to a tan square theta. See, now how many problems we have done. If you all observe, one question is from a miscellaneous exercise or examples, and from exemplar books also, and again parametric forms also we are getting. So first we will find dy by d theta, a into, okay, dy by d theta we will find. So a into tan square differentiation is first 2 tan theta into tan theta differentiation is secant square theta, divided by dx by d theta, a into derivative of secant square is 2 secant theta into derivative of secant theta is secant theta into tan theta. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಎರಡಿದೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಗೆ 2 ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಂಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಥೀಟಾಗೆ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ dy by dx is equal to 1. Now further if you do differentiation, derivative of constant is 0. Option C. Next, so these are the 4 questions in the year 2019, but another question is also there, that is from mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem. So but that concept is deleted, so that we won't consider for this year 2021. Next, 2020 question, that means previous year, last year questions. Now we'll solve. If f of x is equal to 1 minus cos kx by x sin x, if x not equal to 0, which is continuous at x equal to 0. Okay na, ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್. at x equal to 0 ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ LHL ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. LHL ಏನು, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು 0 ಮೈನಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ 1 minus cos kx by x sin x. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 0 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. cos 0 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus 1 0 by 0 into anything 0. So what we are getting is 0 by 0 form. In that case we need to do L'Hospital rule. Okay na, so it will become limit extends to 0 minus, see 1 derivative 0 minus cos x derivative minus sin x, minus of minus sin kx into kx derivative ಏನು k divided by, so ಇದು UV rule, x into derivative of sin x ಏನು cos x plus sin x into derivative of x 1. Okay, now also you substitute and check. sin 0 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೋಟಲ್, so ಇದು 0, again you are getting 0 by 0 form. Again you need to do what? L'Hospital rule. Okay na, ಆ ಥರ 2-3 times we can do L'Hospital rule. So again this is limit extends to 0 minus sin differentiation ಏನು cos, so cos kx into k, again this kx derivative again k ಅಂದರೆ k square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Already 1k ಇದೆ, another k derivative, it will become k square. Now here sin x derivative cos x plus for this again apply UV rule, so x into cos x derivative minus sin x and then cos x into x derivative 1, so it will become, see, okay, this is the function we got. Now we substitute 0. okay, ಇವಾಗ 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos 0 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1, so only k square will be there divided by cos 0 1, so 1, so 0 into anything, this is 0, again cos 1 1, so this is k square by 2 we got, this is LHL. Now what is f of 0? f of 0 directly there again, that is 1 by 2. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಎರಡು ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, which is k square by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, 2 cancel, k square equal to 1. You know that if k square equal to 1, what is the value of k? K is plus or minus 1. So this is option C. Next question in 2022nd question, that is if f of x equal to sin inverse of, see already we have solved these type of problems. ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ directly I am writing C. See this is sin inverse of sin 2 theta. Okay na, so sin inverse sin cancel, 2 theta which is 2 tan inverse x. ಅಂದರೆ x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ what we need to substitute tan theta. Okay, it will be converted into sin 2 theta. So this is what f of x. Now what we need is f dash of root 3. Okay, first we will find f dash of x, which is 2 by 1 plus x square. This is f dash of x. Now you find f dash of root 3, ಅಂದರೆ x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ we need to substitute root 3. So 2 by 1 plus root 3 whole square, square root cancel, 2 by 1 plus 3 is 4, which is 1 by 2. So option here. See all the problems are very easy guys, but please focus and practice more of all NCERT textbook and also exemplar problems. Yes, next the third question guys, I am the answer is option A. Why? Because the trick we have, that is a power x plus a power y is equal to a power x plus y. Then what is dy by x dx? That is minus a power y minus x. Remember guys, now in terms of a what we have 2 and 2, so that's why in the place of a we have 2, so that's why answer is minus 2 power y minus x. If the question is 5 power x plus 5 power y which is equal to 5 power x plus y, then the dy by dx, tell me, dy by dx is minus 5 power y minus x. Okay, now next question number 4, x e power x e whole to the power of y is equal to e power x. Find dy by dx. See here function to the power of function ಇದೆ, so you need to apply log on both sides. If you apply log on both sides, what we will get is log of x e power y, which is equal to log e power x. So it will become y log of x e, which is equal to x log e. So x log e value we know that is equal to 1, so this will be x and this will be y into log x plus log e. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಬಿ. ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು, ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಬಿ ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಇ. ಲಾಗ್ ಇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 1. ಸೊ ವೈ ಇಂಟು ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಇದು ವೈ. ನಾವು ವಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಡಿ ವೈ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವೈ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. See already these type of problems we have done. Okay, so I think our answer will be log x. Let us see. So this is 1 plus log x into x derivative 1 minus x into derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay, 1 by x, x cancel. Here 1, this 1 will be cancelled, which is log x by 1 plus log x whole square. So option D. So this is the question number 4 in 2020. And then we are going to solve the last question of this today's session, nothing but fifth question in 2020 regarding continuity and differentiability. So this is a differentiation question. Y equal to 2 power x 2 into x power n plus 1 plus 3 by x power n. Given we need to find x square into d square y by dx square. So first we need to find dy by dx, later we need to find d square y by dx square, and then we need to multiply with x square. Oh, here so many disturbances are happening. Why? Because beside my house a function is going on. We should not disturb them. They are disturbing us, but we should not stop them also. Why? Because that is their function. Okay, but this is our future, so we need to focus more. Let the disturbance be, but we should be focused. Okay, the question is y equal to 2 into x power n plus 1 plus 3 by x power n. First we will find dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx is equal to 2 into, see this in the form of x power n. X power n indre n into x power n minus 1. So similarly n plus 1 into x to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ n ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, plus 3 into this one we can write as x power minus n. X power minus n derivative ಏನು? Minus n into x power minus n minus 1. So this one I am writing 2 into n plus 1 x to the power of n minus 3n into x power minus n minus 1. So this is what? Dy by dx. Now we apply again, differentiate with respect to x. It will become d square y by dx square, which is equal to n again ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಮಾಡಿ 2 into n plus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1 minus this is 3n into minus n minus 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಮಾಡಿ minus n minus 1 into x power minus n minus 1 again minus 1 n minus 1. So it will be 2n into n plus 1 into x to the power of n minus 1. If you take minus common, minus into minus plus 3n into n plus 1 into x to the power of minus n minus 2. Okay, now so this is what? D square y by dx square. Now for this what we need to multiply is, for the d square y by dx we need to multiply x square. So x square into d square y by dx square, which is equal to x square to these two terms, x square to this, which is 2n into n plus 1 x power n minus 1 into x square plus 3n into n plus 1 x to the power of minus n minus 2 into x square. So which will be converted into 2n into n plus 1 x power n minus 1 into x square is n plus 1 plus 3n into n plus 1, and again it will be x power minus n minus 2 plus 2 is minus n. Now from these two, if you observe, what we can take common is, if we take n into n plus 1 common, it will be 2 into x power n plus 1. Okay, here plus 3 into n plus 1 common ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ x power minus n ಅಂದ್ರೆ by x power n. So this one, if you observe, this is nothing but n into n plus 1 into y. So this is what? X square into d square y by dx square, n into n plus n into y. So option A. So guys, we have completed this session with the 2014 to 2020 questions. Each year, if you observe, we are getting almost minimum 5 questions. Minimum 5 questions we are getting from all these years. That means 2014 to 20, we have completed 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have completed 7 past year questions. Nothing but 7 PYQs into minimum 5 questions, which is 35 questions of past year questions we have solved. So almost all the problems and the methods we have covered. So in the coming examinations, KCET 2021 also, I hope you will get these type of questions, these type of models, so that you will get all the 5 questions, you will get correct answers in a very less manner, in a very less time. All the best guys, all the best. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.